Alright guys, there's Miss Bev asking you guys, how do you enjoy your star apple? This is a star apple. It's an exotic fruit here in Jamaica. How do you enjoy your star apple? I noticed that Sister Dawkins and Bev Brown, they cut their star apples open, right? They cut them, and like today when Bev Brown had hers, when they cut it like this, it's good guys. This is what it looks like inside, purplish. But when you start enjoying the pulp, the rest of the pulp, your mouth gets stainy. See? What do you know about star apple? They say it's the meanest fruit. You notice that they come with the stems? All of them come with stems in them. Know why? They never fall off a tree. You have to pick them. You have to literally go pick them. So it doesn't matter how much they get ripened up on the tree. You watch a star apple tree. We had a neighbor, not really a neighbor, but he had property across my grandmother's land. And Mas Harry had a huge star apple tree, and he would get mad if he saw us picking star apples from it. Because sometimes it was so loaded that the lower limbs, you could just reach up and pick your star apple. And if he sees you, he'd get mad. And that star apple tree, you look at it, just beautiful, loaded each time, and then you just see them sit up there and just withered up, just dry out and just sit up there in the tree. Because they never fall off the tree when they get ripe. Somebody has to pick them. So that's how they cut theirs open and eat them. But I don't eat star apples like that. I take the stem out. And when the stem comes out, it pops that little thing right there. And, well, this one is busted at the side. So let's try this one. This one is out. So I pull the stem out. Sometimes it takes the heart out. This thing, you don't eat it. And you squeeze it. You get the stuff out. You just squeeze it. And this way, your mouth doesn't get in touch with the stains, right? The stain around it. Your mouth doesn't come in contact with it. When you do this, so good, so good. Haven't had star apples in umpteens of years. So you just squeeze it up, guys, and you get everything. So I don't know how those of you who have eaten star apples, do you like it cut like this? Or have you ever squeezed it out like this? I ate my mangoes like this too when I was younger. And even, well, when I was younger, especially the crusty mangoes, boy, them something ripe and you just bite a little hole, you squeeze up the mango, squeeze it up around, squeeze it, and then you bite the little hole and just suck every juice out of it. So that's it, my friends, when you talk about star apples. And we have these, and we also have the green ones. These are big. I don't know if I could slurp this one. Can't slurp this one at all. But that's my star apple story, guys. These are exotic fruits from Jamaica. When you look at the other one, it's purple. This one is white inside. But they're all star apples. So I don't want it this big because a lot of stain will come on my mouth. So I'm going to cut it again. So you cut it. And so it's a smaller piece, but again, the stain on your mouth. I don't like it like this. Sweet enough, but the stain on your mouth, you see that? It stains on your mouth. If you've never tried a star apple, guys, go out and try it. I don't remember seeing it in the States, but I guess you have the Charles, Fort Lauderdale. She has them. See? That one makes him up. That's all. This is what I don't like. When you eat it, when you cut it and eat it. When you break it open and eat it. I don't like that. Give it a white. You see, it doesn't just wipe off. You gotta go. I don't know how it comes off. But that's star apple for you guys. That is star apple for you. Take good care of yourselves.